are you doing today? Lorrie here on Vancouver Island. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're coming back, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. We're here today on behalf of the Survival Seeds 2024 collaboration. I've got a little update on my garden, so let's get to it. My pepperoncinis are looking fantastic. I've got 3 that came up in here. They need to be transplanted soon, but I'm waiting until I can put them outside. And then here's my Walla Walla onions. They're also looking delightful. My other ones outside are coming up, and I'll show you that. I'll go out there tomorrow and film that. Anyway, I also have some basil. I have some cucumber up. My melon's not up. Here's some other bell peppers. Nothing to do with the challenge, but that's what's going on in my garden. Oh, and what's this? Oh, stevia. I decided to grow stevia as one of my survival seeds because it's a natural sweetener. And so what could be better? And here is my indoor jungle. So for my survival seeds, here is my Waltham butternut squash. It's doing good and it's starting to get flowers on it. I have thus far been pulling them off. I pulled off several male flowers the other day because it's not ready to go outside yet. But it's growing like crazy. What else do we have? That's supposed to be horseradish back there. I don't know if it is or not. I should dig it up one of these days because it's probably not doing much in that little tiny pot. There's my catnip back there. I just trimmed it yesterday. And then bell peppers. I have bell peppers everywhere. This is my tiny Tom Thumb tomato. And look at that. It's starting to get some flower buds on it in a couple of spots. It's probably getting pretty root bound too, because look how tiny that pot is. What is this? What is this back here? Oh, this is my Aunt Molly's cherry. My Aunt Molly's cherry. Yeah, yummy. Other peppers that I've got going on, some moringa, some more peppers, more peppers, more peppers. There is my loofah. This is my bergamot, and I thought this was the kind of bergamot that goes into Earl Grey tea, but it's not. Apparently that is some kind of a citrus tree, and this is a herb, so I need to do some more research onto that. And my poor little marjoram plant also needs to be transplanted pretty soon. Here we are in the outside. So, survival garden things. One, of course, is my huge giant oregano plant, and some people thought that was in a pot, but it's not. It's just growing right out of the ground there. But it's crazy. I haven't measured it, but it looks to be 2.5, possibly 3 feet wide. So yeah, it's doing quite well for a survival seed. Now I still have to look into what all to do with it. I need to get it harvested and get it inside. Time was cut back. Sage, was that one of the herbs? I don't think so. Oh, look, my beautiful grapes. My beautiful, beautiful grapes are starting to put out some leaves, so that's always super exciting.
Get out of that where?
Get out of that. No, 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 it won't grow without me. And here we have my onions coming up. Now, I guess I should have marked these a little bit better. I think those are my Walla Wallas in the very back that are coming up, and the other 2 rows are just some long day onions. And you can just see a few of them coming up. course, my asparagus. We've been eating that for about a week now. Oh, and I was going to show you over on this side, at least a few of my beets have started to come up. There's one right down there. There's another few there. More onions. Oh, look, my chamomile came back. I'm so excited. It had a rough time there for a little while, but it is perked up again and looking delightful. So I'm quite happy about that. Now, I haven't actually been out here for days because the weather's been horrible, and I have not looked in there for several days. So let's have a look. Oh. We're looking a little bit thirsty out here, so I guess I'm not going to water today because it's already too late in the day. But I guess I'm going to have to come out here tomorrow and either set them out in the rain or do something with them because they are not happy. Oh, these over here look pretty good. Here's my Mariana tomato. Oh, that's getting pretty dry. Look, you can see everything's becoming limp because it's getting so dry. Anyway, yeah, so tomorrow I'll be out here giving everything a good watering. And, yeah, it should be good. It's still sweaty in here. I don't know why everything's drying out so much. But anyway, here's my rose. I guess it's still alive. It's getting a bunch of new green branches on it. These roses, the bushes or the flowers didn't do much, but yeah, my celery. This is celery. I think I'll take this poor little guy inside with me and maybe give him some water in there because he's looking pretty sad. Yeah, let's do that. Thank you for taking a little tour out in the garden with me. I appreciate that. You can see everything is coming along nicely. I still haven't planted my kidney beans, but around here we don't plant beans till outside until I think July. I'll have to recheck my chart because that seems late. Maybe it's from May to July that I can plant them. But I'm hoping to get those planted real soon. They grow really fast here. I don't know if they just grow fast or what. But anyway, you might wonder what I'm down here doing. So one of the things that this Survival Seeds 2024 seed collaboration is about is learning more about herbs and things that you can use to heal yourself, to make yourself feel better. I am by no means an expert in this. I am just learning. But while I was out foraging in my garden, I don't forage much further than that yet. I have enough that I have to learn about in my own yard. But while I was out there foraging this spring and cleaning things out, I found a plant called Heal All. Self heal or heal all, also known as Prunella vulgaris, is reputed to help treat deep wounds, including those of emotional origin. It's also used to remove mercury. Blah, blah, blah. It's also used to remove mercury from the body. It heals all manner of wounds, both inside and outside the body. You can make a compress of bruised leaves and vinegar, place it on your forehead to help with headaches. You can make a tea out of it. It's been used for centuries to treat infections and other illnesses. Some studies show it may help fight inflammation, which means good for pain, protect against cancer, prevent diabetes complications, and treat herpes. Okay, then. So it's really good for a lot of stuff, and I apparently I haven't tried to grow any of these seeds yet. Maybe I should try and grow one yet. And I'm waiting on payment from a couple of websites yet, so I can't ship anything out until that comes in. But I would be willing to ship out seeds to anybody who wants some. Go ahead and put your send your email to, or send me your address through an email. My email is in my description. You can find it there, and let me know if you want some of these heal all seeds. It's a medicinal herb that's been used for centuries to treat infections and other illnesses. Prunella vulgaris, Prunella vulgaris. So you can do some research on it and let me know if you'd like some. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and plant a couple of these. Probably tomorrow I'll do some transplanting, but I'll get these planted and we'll see what happens. See if they're even viable seeds before I start sending them all over the place. U.S. and Canada only, of course. Those are the only places where I can really get away with sending seeds. So, yeah. Anyway, that's my update for Survival Seeds 2024 for the beginning of May. It's actually May 1st while I'm recording this. I don't know that it'll actually go up on May 1st, but within the next day or two, I should get around to putting the clips together and putting it out there. Once again, I want to thank the Vineyard Chicks and Bushcraft Family and Jesse and Lisa over there at Lazy Days Ahead for putting together this fun collaboration. I'm loving what I'm seeing with my seeds and having a lot of fun learning about more herbs and stuff like that. I know this isn't an herb that's in our challenge, but I thought it was still an interesting one that people might want to grow. I think I mentioned that it is in the mint family, so it should grow prolifically at all times. So, yeah, again, let me know if you're interested. I'm going to sign off here and say thanks again. Take good care of yourself. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye now.